Yes, we're going to see on how to do the passion twist, but there are those tricks that I forgot to tell you about that would want to see them today, and there are those things that you would also want to know about passion twist, because we are going to close its chapter. Yes, because we have a lot of other hairstyles that we can do that are going to that we have not been seeing, and I want us to see how we can also do that. So let's close our passion twist with these tricks that you also didn't know, and I hope by the time we finish all these, you'll be knowing on how to do passion twist. Let's first subscribe. All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone who is watching right now. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master on Instagram. And you can still follow us on our social medias: Hair Zipper, Instagram, Hair Zipper, Facebook, Hair Zipper, Twitter. Yeah, we're all there. So Maurice the Crochet Master is my personal account, so if you want more, we can chat more, you can go and follow me on my personal account. So we're going to be seeing those secrets that are still with the passion twist, and trust me, today I think from those videos that we've been doing, you will know how to do the passion twist by the time we finish this video. Oh yes, number one, I also want to shout out to my friends who have been with me ever since we started. There is Judith Nakintu, thank you so much. There is Mwanguzi Frida, Karunji Sandra, Allen, Karina Ko, and Lydia Juliam, Rebecca Msuri, Netherlands. Oh my god, we love you so much. There's Paola Phillips. Yes, thank you so much. Cho Nkuru and Ansonete Thomas. Thank you so much. So I would like to shout out to all those ones who have been there with us ever since we started, and now we're here. Thank you so much. And there are those ones who've been telling me about this other hairstyle that they would want to learn. They want to see how to unplait the extended dreadlocks. Yes, I'll also be showing you that one. Though we started the inside cornrows, but I would also want to show you the inside cornrows, how you can use it when you're going to plait the crochets, because it lasts longer. That inside corner. So I would also want to teach you that, so that you also get to learn. And please, if you still have any other question, you can go in my comment section, put something. I'll make sure at least I reply that, or we do something about it. I told you I like sharing ideas. So here is, we are doing the passion twist. If you didn't watch our other videos, this is the gel that we always first apply, and then after applying we have to cut it into 3 portions like the way you're seeing. And then when we are done cutting we bring it, we just try to separate it into, you see how the way I'm holding it, this one goes up, this down, and you bring the other upper one this side, then the one remaining you also bring it like that, and then you start braiding. I always do this just because when you start with raise from down, the hair grows well, and you still have a chance of making it, like you also have a chance of locking it. You understand what I'm saying? So it's always good to start with it like that, though you can even still start with a twisting if you want. those ones who want to start with the twisting, but to make it more protective and even to last longer, you can start with these 3 years from down. So to those ones who been following me from where we started plaiting the passion twist, I think by right now you also know what we can do, what passion twist is, and the things you're supposed to use to do the passion twist. Those ones who have been asking, oh my god, I always put the things in the description, so you can go and read that, and it's already there. Though I use the water wave. It's a crochet, it's called water wave. Sometimes we use there's supposed to be 3 pieces to 4, you understand, so it depends on how you're doing it. If you want it to packed, though even if you pack it a lot, it's not a problem, since it's very light. It's very light on the head, so even if you pack passion twist, even if you box it, no problem, it can still do it well. So I always mind my lines. To see that my lines are very perfect. In fact, in front, I make sure that my lines are perfect in front, so that if someone is holding a puff, it is very easy. Yes, and it looks smart. Someone holding a puff, it looks smart, but all that comes when you make sure that your boxes are very neat. And you see how I try to separate it into this. I bring this up, the other one down like that, and then when I'm trying to play it, I make sure I don't make it very tight. Yes, that one is also very important. I don't make it very tight to hurt my client. I always try to do it softly. Yeah, since we are doing the protective style. And another trick about this one here in front, those ones who are trying to do the long things like the long passion twist, I wouldn't advise someone to overpack it in front, because I told you, whenever we overpack, that means we are holding small hair. You understand? You hold small hair and you put a long passion twist. That means your hair is at risk and might break. So that's why you're seeing me. I make sure I do my boxes. I do them a bit bigger, so that those ones that I'm doing, those ones that I've if I make my box to look like that, then it means if it's this big, if my box is this big, this hair can hold that long braid. But sometimes those people who cut small hair and they put long braid, it is very wrong. I'm sorry, today I have flu, but I hope you try to understand what I'm saying. But that's how it is always. Yes, you should do that. If you're trying to do something that is very long, at least try to see that the hair that you're holding is going to hold that braid that you have put on. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, those are the things that we should always be careful when it comes to braiding. Yeah, and I will still keep on teaching you those tricks when it comes to braiding and these other things, because I still always wonder why people say that braiding breaks their hair. It's just because of those simple mistakes that we always do. Excuse me, like you find someone is overpacking the hair in front. Remember, the hair in front is always weak, so when you overpack it, and yet you're putting a long thing, because at times when you play, like, there are these small twists, small braid, those ones you can overpack, because even if you hold a small hair, it means it can be able to hold that hair. But when the hair is very when you're doing the big hair, when you're doing the long braids, try also to cut, like when you're making lines, boxes, try to make them, at least you give them that volume of the hair so that it can hold that braid for a while than holding a small portion of hair. Yes, so I hope that you also understanding what I'm trying to say, and please trust me, if you also get to learn other things, if you learn the things of the way we do the passion twist, it's going to be easy for you. So I'm welcoming all the return subscribers and those ones who haven't subscribed. It's the high time that you can also do, you share the videos, and oh my god, I really like the impression I'm seeing from people, my audience, people in United States. You're showing me some good love. I can be seeing it here. Thank you so much. And those ones in Kenya, yes, you're also showing me some good love. And those ones in United Kingdom, yes, United Emirates, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and and those ones in Germany. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper. I also love you so much. So you've been on the passion twist section. I think at least by now, if you try to follow all those videos that I've been doing, you'll be able to learn that. So I think we are just going to focus on some other hair types, so that other hairstyles, or maybe if there is a question that you would still want to know about the passion twist, you can go in my comment section, write something, I'll be there to answer you. Yes, because I told you I'm always there for you. I like sharing ideas, and that is the way to go. So you can see how I'm still doing it. It is very soft. I try to make sure I do it soft, as you can see. Yes, so when I'm done with that, and I just tie it this way, make sure that it's tight. Yes, I make sure that it's tight. Sometimes I tie it twice, very tight. Yes, and then we start the twisting. So here there is another trick of twisting that you didn't know about. Yeah, there is the way you can twist it this way. Yes, that way. You just keep on twisting. The passion twist has got two ways of twisting it. You can twist it this way. I think you all know how to twist it. To twist like this. You see, you can also twist it this way. Anyone can do it, but another problem is here when you turn it. When you turn the side, then you twist it. Let me try to show you here. This one. So like you can try to twist it this way. You keep on twisting like this. Oh yes, just like that, and after you turn and start twisting this way. Oh my god, you see how this is a bit speedy? You see how it goes? You can try it out. I know you can try it out. Yes, try it out if you can, is to learn how to twist it this way, because it's also very nice. Yes, just like that. You see? Wow. So when you're done with that, I told you like the twisting it's always the same. So when you're done with that, we all remember and we all know that always when we're done with our twisting, or any other braid, or even weaving, when we're done with doing the cornrows, we always have to apply the anti-itchy, best for our hair not to be itching all the time. And on the anti-itch, I told you it's about you yourself, that we all have different types of itch, anti-itch that works for us. You may find like the one I'm using can't work for you, and maybe for you the one you're using, it works for you alone and can't work for me. So you just have to try on to see what can work for you. So this is how our passion twist looks, and by the names of Morris the Crochet Master. See you guys, bye bye.